The United States Supreme Court has refused to hear President Trump's appeal in the Carroll civil case, leaving the lower court's judgment in place. While this was a civil matter rather than a criminal prosecution, the decision has once again placed the American justice system under the global spotlight. In recent years, many observers have questioned whether America's institutions have become increasingly politicized. The Supreme Court, in particular, has faced criticism from some who believe certain rulings have reflected political ideology rather than judicial neutrality, while others strongly reject that characterization and argue the court has remained faithful to the Constitution. Whatever side people take, one thing is clear: public confidence in the independence of the judiciary has become an important issue in American democracy. This latest decision will be viewed by many as evidence that the courts are still capable of acting independently, even when the case involves the sitting president of the United States. That matters because the principle at the heart of every democracy should be simple: no individual, regardless of their wealth, status, or political office, should be above the law. President Trump has consistently denied the allegations against him and has argued that the litigation was politically motivated. His supporters continue to believe the legal cases brought against him form part of a wider campaign against his presidency. Equally, others believe the courts must be allowed to reach their own conclusions without political interference. Regardless of where people stand, the legitimacy of the judicial process depends on decisions being accepted as the product of an independent court, rather than political influence. Had this involved an ordinary citizen, many people would expect the legal process to run its course without the same level of political debate or public scrutiny. That is why maintaining confidence in judicial impartiality is so important. The public must believe that justice is applied consistently, regardless of who stands before the bench. Perhaps that is the wider significance of this ruling. Whether people agree with the outcome or not, decisions such as this can help reassure the public that the American justice system still possesses the capacity to act independently, even in cases involving the nation's highest office. At a time when trust in institutions has become increasingly fragile, preserving that confidence may be just as important as the verdict itself. This has been the JR Voice. Stay tuned for more unpacking of global headlines.